Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So, I don't use this weird tool enough. This is a silicone makeup applicator. Super glued to a straw, a silicone straw, with a chopstick shoved down the middle to make it rigid enough to use easily. And it's a great swipe tool. So I'm going to use both black and white. And I don't mind if there's a bunch. That's Amsterdam Black and Floetrol and GAC 800. And so is this. And I've got a bunch of colors that I love, all ready to go. And I suspect these would sell together even if I didn't use any colors. And try not to fret about anything, including those dribbles. So where did I start the last time I did this? I didn't use any pink diamond, but I've got some and I want to. Got some Whispering Wisteria. The colors will be listed under the video. I've also got some sparkling aqua, but what I want is Mystique, which is a primary element. I want some Dancing Fuchsia. And I've got Tickled Pink, which is a new purely pigment. I'm trying to keep the Dancing Fuchsia and the lighter colors on the light on the white. That's the Tickled Pink. Got some Red Violet, which is pretty similar to a few other things. I've tipped my orange crush down, but I think I'm going to wait a second to use it. This is a custom yellow with a little bit of orange in it. Got another one. This is Orange Crush, what's left of it. If I can get some to come out, it would be great. Might even help me use up the end of the bottle. Got some saffron. What am I missing? Something. Wanted some red. I think I'm good though. Oh, I know. Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Hopefully I don't have too much paint to do this. And unless I think of something else, it's going to be the saffron. I don't usually worry about the orange not showing up, but I am putting it on the white just in case. I'm going to get those out of here unless I think of something right off. I'm kind of inclined to use some of this Amethyst Queen. Take the little tab off the top. Yeah, that's not going to hurt anything. Sort of my Halloween wreath. So let's put some Pevio or PBO or however you say it, cell activator, into a dish. I'm just going to dip my tool I'm going to try and move some paint out of the center and see what happens. And it might just fill in again, but if it does fill in again, it'll be more even. So back to the challenge at hand, which was adding a few spirals here and there. I don't know that it needs that many. Oh, I've got a dot. Oh well. I don't need to go too nuts. I could put a dot of black in the center. It's definitely off. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's actually beautiful. It does look like some exotic starfish, which is certainly okay with me. I could spin it out, but I don't think I'd be any happier with it spun out than I like it right now. I could drag some points in and see what happens. Alright, I don't think that hurt anything. It may not have helped anything either, but I don't think it hurt anything. She's a beauty. I could also probably refine the center a little bit more if I wanted to. Cross your fingers it dries as beautifully as it is now, because it's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm unexpectedly back. I have this gorgeous little pan of colors, and I went around and I just put a little tiny spiral at the end. And now I kind of think I'm going to try it in the center. There we go. Flower or fauna, either way. That's that. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.